Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And guys, one announcement before I start the volcano marker fan made video. Vote in the comments on a different video, which is TBSE1 Crazy Mask. Vote for who you want to be eliminated and the names on the start. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. Now it's time to start the fan-made video. To get volcano marker, you have to go to the washable kingdom.
This time we got 29 votes. As you know, the three of you with the fewest votes will receive a slice of cake.
And guys, the reason why I can't do it the swag way is like because of the
No, I just thought this thing last episode. Okay, then. And the lowest with one vote is Ice Cube. What? Hey, that's not cake. That's modeling clay. The cake was too expensive. Lucky, you're safe at 2 votes. Yeah. Leafy, Teardrop, and Snowball. Only one of you is safe. And that person happens to be Leafy with 3 votes. Yes. What? Teardrop and Snowball. You've got 5 and 18 votes, respectively. Come with me.
Well, guys, we may be a little smaller, but we're still the best team ever.
Snowball, Teardrop.
to get volcano marker. You have to get dragon marker and magma marker. Oh wait.
It's time to say goodbye. So now it is down to the final 14.
And by the way,
The 10th contest is a crying contest.
the marker is insane, and
Go.
electric charge marker is extreme, but not enough to make it markerous.
Snowball, you too?
Why should I try to cry?
Oh no. So, don't you know, Tiny? Crying, tears, water is my poison. Sorry. Okay.
And then you have to go down there.
Yeah, low 5.
Hey, let's melt Icy.
That was me. That was me.
Time's up. Since you all got some water, I guess it's a tie.
No fair. Look how much water we
The
have.
tiebreaker is a skiing contest.
Hey, Match, look. It's mini snowball. Ooh, I'll get my mini match. Let's play Spongy Cave.
People, try to get to the finish ASAP.
Okay.
You can only afford 1 pair of skis for each team.
By the way,
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Oh, not quite. Still don't like what you did to Icy.
Hey, the Ice Cube recovery sensor will make Ice Cube alive again.
Still. How's it going? Wobbly. Hey, where's Rocky? There.
actually you don't really have to do it, but I'm doing it for some swag and some views. Guys, please watch my channel and don't mind if I'm a kid that is like 9 years old. I try to make good content and sometimes be funny. So please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, because this channel, I'm trying to make a 20-day special And by the way, the audio is by NFC Songs. Go check out his channel.
But I'm not sure which of the other two teams were in first place or third place. So we need another tiebreaker.
Ah, seriously?
It is a handstand contest. When I press the button, the ropes will release. If you are the last one handstanding, your team wins, and you get a win token. The other team is in dead last.
Yeah,
Go.
have to do that part by you.
Another name has already lost. The cherries win again.
I would do magma marker first, because it's insane. Actually, you don't really have to get it.
You can only use one at a time.
Really, all you have to do is get dragon marker.
Filters. Choose one member of another name to leave BFDI. TB, GB, Rocky, Quinny, or Fiery. The two most voted will leave the team. One will join the cherries.
When you look at that, my very first tear, I will always remember this for the rest of my life. What do you think that cloud looks like? I think the cloud looks like a tennis ball. Well,
Get dragon marker.
golf ball. Tennis ball. Golf ball. Tennis ball.
Guys, if my markers were real, it would say
Yeah, but when he has to barf, he knows exactly when.
236 markers. Now mess with jump on the skulls for a little bit. Then go jump on the
Why
eggs.
do you slap each other? It's pointless. He's a jerk.
Now jump and then mess up.
Hey, what is that speaker machine doing here?
I'm here
Then
to remind
go.
you that your team, another name, lost. Let's go to the cake and steak place to see who will be eliminated. The two of you with the most votes will leave the team. One will join the cherries. The other will be eliminated. Golf ball and Fiery, you each have a win token. Would you like to use it now? Remember, if you use it, half of your votes will not count.
I will use it. Well, I will.
Out of the total 37 votes, tennis ball is 6 new votes.
Yay! But don't I also get some cake?
Cake was too expensive, so we'll pretend. Here's an imaginary slice of cake. Fiery is safe with 3 votes.
Yeah.
And Winnie is safe with 5 votes. Golf ball and Rocky got 12 and 15 votes respectively. Even with her win token, golf ball still in the top 2.
Uh-oh, I'm left with the slappers.
Golf ball and Rocky. The swishy cherries will either vote you onto their team or to be eliminated.
Soda? Oi, Rocky and our team. Jimmy is just a no-no. I'd say rock. Because golf ball sounds like a boy, even though she's a girl. And that's just wrong.
I say rock. This golf ball's a bossy boy.
I say like Rocky because I am not a big fan of dimples.
I say rock because Jimmy said my brain is full.
Okay, let's just pretend we got the marker, guys.
So I'll say rock.
Never mind, guys. I still have some time.
Or GB for short.
Because I can't go with a video 15 minutes long.
Winning, which from 7.143% to 0.0%.
So I'm just, basically I'm just wasting my time by making content. Actually, I'm not, because I want views.
All of you must climb that.
I need views. It would support me so much if you, like,
This is the top. So now that you're all up here except for that clumsy tennis ball, I want you to tie these
Okay,
balls around your
guys.
waist.
okay guys, we're done with the marker. If you enjoy,
Let's just see a magic trick.
smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, people.